Hello guys, I'm going to go ahead and record this again. For some reason, the audio didn't upload last night, so let's do it again. So let's look at your exam. Your exam will be in your exam folder. There are 9 elements on your exam. The first one, you are going to tell me the main idea, title, one detail and one piece of supporting evidence for the coronavirus article. The article is in the question. Second, you're going to fill in this paragraph using direct, indirect, and the word characterization. Here, these are 3 multiple choice questions that you answered during class one day about chapter 1, Born a Crime. Here you're going to put the events of Born a Crime in a list. I changed them up a little so I feel like it's a little easier. So this is the events in order. Down here you're going to fill in a text frame. You'll have an audio where you fill in a text frame about chapter 1. You'll have a writing where you fill in a text frame about chapter 1. And then down here, you're going to do a one-pager. So I'm going to show you the one-pager. So I'm going to preview to show you the one-pager because this is going to take most of your time on your exam. So I will show you the one-pager. So that is your last item. So your one-pager is a Nearpod. Now, you do not have to close the exam. What you'll do is you'll put your name in, your correct name. You will maximize your Nearpod screen, so maximize, and you will click join. So this is your Born a Crime one-pager project. You'll have instructions, and this will be what you fill in. So if you need your instructions, they'll be up here, or they'll be on the previous page. And that is it. If you need help, there's a immersive reader in here. When you're done, click submit. We've gone over how to use these tools in class many, many times. So to submit your exam, minimize, submit, and then review and finish. So, what should you study? Well, I've shown you what's going to be on the exam. I've given you an exam folder. In the exam folder, you have an audio folder. This is all the text audios, the coronavirus article, and all the chapter 1 stuff. I gave you a Nearpod to look over. It's not a grade, it's just so you can study. You also have your OneNote notebook. I'm grading those today. But one nice thing about the OneNote is you now have a study guide. It's all here. So if you go into your OneNote and you click Born a Crime, you have all of this review stuff you can look over. And if it doesn't show up, remember, just refresh. Make sure you get this graphic organizer done because this is going to help you do your one-pager. Because while you're doing your one-pager, it's going to come from what you put in this steel chart. So that's it, guys. I will check the audio on this and make sure it works. And I'll upload this video. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye-bye.